Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily solve a high ping or network lag. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Among Us, click online and then just click here Europe, like the right bottom, and choose the server that you are like close to, right? Then what you need to try to do is just write command into search on Windows. And when you're here, the first thing you want to do is just like right here ping google.com, and you will see like your time, and this is really great. And if you have any loss, any packets, and if you have, then try to reset it by just writing /flash DNS. So this is the first thing that you can try to do. Also, I recommend having Ethernet connection with your PC, or don't use Wi-Fi, or just be careful with any Wi-Fi connections. And then what you need to try to do is this: to see like what programs, other programs are connected. Just go to Task Manager, and when you're in Task Manager, go to Performance and open Resource Monitor. I hope you can see it right now, and we can see it right here. So overview Photoshop is like not responding right now, and when I'm going to click Network, I can see like what is right now using. And you can like close, I don't know, Chrome, uTorrent and everything, which is taking your data. So this is how you can solve the high ping and network lag in Among Us. Thank you very much everybody. Have a great day and goodbye.